Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you my cute summer makeup look which you can wear with any outfit and any color. So without any further ado, let's begin. As well, I'm starting with my skin prep routine, for which I'm using vitamin C face serum from Blue Nectar and I'm applying a good amount of it. Next I'm using SPF 60 sunscreen from VLCC. We all know how important it is to apply sunscreen whenever we are leaving house in this summer. So I'm using a good amount of it. For primer, I'm using Illuminating and Hydrating Primer from Illana Beauty. It is one of my favorite primers because it has a very nice sheen in it and it gives the natural glow to your skin which we all need in this summer. To apply and blend the primer, I am using my beauty sponge. For the foundation, I am using HD foundation stick from Coloressense in shade Ivory and I am directly applying it to my face and neck. For the concealer, I am using full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey and I am applying it to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight, like under my eyes, my nose, my brow bone. Now I'll be blending everything all together using my beauty sponge. To set my concealer, I am using loose powder from Insight Cosmatics in shade Ivory and I am applying it to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer and I am gonna kind of bake it for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I am applying the contour to my face. For the contour, I am using Stay Quirky Cream Contour in shade Dark Brown and I am trying to give some definition to my face. To blend the contour, I am using an angled contour brush. Now it's time to remove the loose powder, for which I am using brush from Real Technique, that is RT400. Now I'll be using pressed powder from Faces Canada in shade Ivory and I am going to apply it to my high points. Basically to my T-zone, which area is more prone to sweat, so I'm going to apply it there. For blush, I am using Beetroot Lip and Cheek Tint from Illana Organics. Now I am quickly filling my eyebrows using brow pencil from Wet n Wild in shade Dark Brown. I am only filling the sparse area so that my eyebrows look as natural as possible. Then brushing using a spoolie to make sure there is no harsh line left and everything is blended nicely together. Moving on to my eyes, I am using a nude eyeshadow palette from Maybelline New York. Taking champagne shade from it and applying it to my brow bone to highlight. As I want very subtle and neutral eye look, so I am applying my brow pencil as an eyeliner base. Then taking a brown shade from Jaclyn Hill palette and smudging it out. While blending and smudging, you need to make sure that you are blending it outwards. And keep blending until you are happy with the intensity and the transition shade. Very quickly, I'll do the same with my other eye as well. Now I'm applying a warm brown shade to my crease to create a transition shade. To finish the eye look, I'm applying a little bit of shimmer on top of it, for which I'm using Metallic Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold. I'm using the same highlighter to my inner corners as well. And lastly, I'm applying the warm brown shade to my lower lash line as well. Now curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is Zoom and Woosh mascara from Colorbar, and I'm applying a good amount of it to both upper and lower lash line. I'm using same highlighter to highlight my high points like my cheekbones, nose, cupid bone and forehead. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it, and also you will get my social links over there. Now I'm outlining my lips using a lip pencil from Coloressense in shade Burgundy. Then I'm applying the lipstick which is in shade Nude Brown from Stay Quirky. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So this is the makeup look which I have created so far. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.